Welcome to Tallinn, the most beautiful medieval town in Europe, and this is the most unique tower in the Old Town. It is a museum, but it also offers some of the best views on the city from the rooftop terrace up there. Let's go and check it out.
This is the Fat Margaret Tower, which is 20 meters tall and has walls that are 5 meters thick. The tower is part of the medieval defense system and was also built to impress sailors arriving in Tallinn from the sea. Inside the tower, you will find the Estonian Maritime Museum, and across its 5 floors, you can learn more about shipping and shipbuilding. On the ground floor, there is a really cool map of Northern Europe where you can see different routes of the goods that traveled between the Hansa towns in the 15th century. The small display of ancient navigation tools looked pretty good too. I especially liked walking alongside the 700-year-old shipwreck, the Koge wreck, and it looked pretty awesome up close. A small tip here, there is a rooftop bar on the top of the tower that you can enter for free, and I think it offers brilliant panoramic views to the old town and the harbour, and it's worth popping in just for the photo.